Mouth blue?
I don't know.
Did you put the marker in your mouth? Then why is it blue?
I didn't, because I did that way. I don't know.
What's in your hand?
Tomato.
What color is the marker?
Blue.
Why is your mouth blue?
I did that last night.
You colored that last night?
Yeah.
Really? You put the marker in your mouth?
And then told it last night.
Last night?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You didn't just do that right now?
No, I did last night.
Do we need to take your markers away?
No.
Well, if you color your face, we're going to have to take them away. Did you put the marker in your mouth? Evelyn?
What?
Did you put the marker in your mouth?
Uh-uh.
I don't know. Smile for Mommy. Let me see. Happy face?